Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute face on Dress to Impress. So select your hair. I'm just going to color it this color, and I'm just going to size it up a little bit here so it's bigger than like my actual head. And then we are going to use this, and we're going to again scale it up and position it so it's up here. And I'm going to also like color it the same as like my head, but in neon. So as you can see, if I chose this one, it's going to be like super light. So I'm just going to kind of find my skin color here. So it's this. I'm just going to save that and then do that in neon as well. Okay, it's not very similar actually. Let me just make some few adjustments. Maybe like here. Okay, that's good enough. I tried, all right. And then we're going to do the mask in same neon in that same color. At this point, I think I'm just going to make it so that my skin tone fits that a little bit more. Wait, let me... choose this one again, and let me like push this to the back. Maybe it's like the shadow. Oh my god, it's not. Hold on. It is very hard to make it like the same color, but I'm trying. Okay, what about this one? Sorry, I'm like trying to adjust everything. I think I might scale this up more and then do that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's it. And then for the eyes, don't mind the back. Use either this or that. I'm just going to use these earmuffs in all black. And then I'm just going to scale it down a little bit and then position it so I can see it a little bit better. You can either scale it more inwards or outwards. I'm just going to scale it more inwards because of my hair here. There we go. Okay, it's getting there. And then we just need these glasses. I'm just going to place it like somewhere here. Scale it out a little bit as well. And then we're going to use like this color in neon, I think, for like the blush. Yeah, I'll just do this color in neon. And that is it. That is how you can create the super cute face on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!